Thanks. Blowing on embers, there used to be something there. I swear that there used to be, and it remains to be seen, it seems. But you're benevolent, and your kindness in time will spread like a thread of the fuse, and I refuse to snuff out the dread. I refuse to snuff out the dread. No one remembers and nobody seems to care. I swear that it seems to me something was lost in our dreams, it seems. Precedent, yes, there is a genetic memory shared. We've prepared as we've grown, and the river will flow unimpaired. And I believe, yes, I believe that the river will flow unimpaired. I refuse, yes, I refuse to snuff out the dread. I refuse, yes, I refuse to snuff out the dread. I refuse, yes, I refuse to snuff out the dread. Thanks, everybody. How you doing? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Good evening, and cheers. Am I really terribly backlit? Is it just a silhouette? Am I a shadow? I have a face, in case you're wondering. Here's a song called Economics for you. It's about the state of the world. In this town it smells like progress, it smells so close to death sometimes I think it's hard to tell. Well, one thing ends and the other begins. At what point do natural consequences turn to sin? And I've said this before, and I'm saying it again, but it takes some time sometimes for some things to settle in. And this ain't no critique on creativity or lag, but you ain't supposed to take if you ain't giving something back, man. They sound like truth, yes they sound like the moment of clarity can ever be found. Like if you listen hard enough then you will hear like-minded voices harmonizing through the years. Fathers, brothers, sisters, daughters, sons. Thanks. Having trouble connecting? Well, I am too. got those exaggerated self-entitlement blues. And here we sit upon the precipice, future hanging by a string. We'll do anything and everything to circumnavigate the fates. Decision paralysis, don't know what to do. And it's those exaggerated self-entitlement blues. Well, the warning signs were clear now, and the red light was flashing all the time. We just crawled inside of our egos, and we pissed and we moped to pass the time. Well, she has broken your heart, and she has played you for the fool, and she's left you with those exaggerated self-entitlement blues. She's left you with those exaggerated self-entitlement blues. Yeah.